For solving quadratic equations, we have some options. We can try to factor it. We can try to put it into, we can use complete the square. We can use quadratic formula. Those are our main strategies. So for x squared plus 8x plus 10, the first one I look for is if it factors. So I need to say, okay, are there factors of 10 that add up to 8? Factors of 10 that add up to 8. I can't think of any. So 10 and 1 and 5 and 2, neither of those add up to 8. So then I'm like, okay, well, am I in the mood to do a complete the square? Completing the square, we're going to practice in another problem. So I'm going to use the quadratic formula here. I think quadratic formula is also most people's tendencies if they can't get it to factor. So let's just do quadratic formula and see what we get. So x equals, all right, so negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, then let's simplify. Negative 8 plus or minus the square root of, so 64 minus 40 will give me 24 over 2. So that's negative 8 plus or minus. 24 has a factor of 4, which we'll square root out. Leave a 6 behind over 2. And then now all the top two terms will cancel or reduce, not cancel. They'll reduce with the 2 in the denominator because everything, all three terms have a common factor of 2. So the 8 will go down to a negative 4. The 2 in front of the square root will just go away. So our solutions to our equation are negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 6. Now this also lets me know at the end that this wouldn't have factored. I don't factor things that have square roots in them, but it would have worked with a complete the square process where you complete the square and then use the extracting the square roots to get an answer like this. So these are our answers, negative 4 plus the square root of 6 and negative 4 minus the square root of 6.